Good morning, students. Today we will discuss about secondary batteries. And in secondary batteries, we will discuss lead storage battery. Lead storage battery. Lead storage battery, it is also an electrochemical cell. It is also a group of electrochemical cells. So many negative electrode and positive electrodes are used. So this is group of electrochemical cells. This lead storage battery is used in automobiles and in inverters at home. Used in automobiles and inverters at home. In this lead storage battery, each cell having one anode and one cathode, like other electrochemical cells. So there will be anode and cathode, and there will be also an electrolyte. Electrolyte is 38% sulfuric acid solution. 38% concentrated sulfuric acid solution. And at anode, lead grid used, and at cathode, lead dioxide PbO2 is used. And at anode, lead oxidize to give PbSO4. This will oxidize because there is zero oxidation state of lead in lead grid, and this will convert into PbSO4, that having +2 oxidation state of lead. So there is oxidation at anode, and PbO2 also converted into PbSO4. Here will be reduction because lead in lead dioxide +4 oxidation state and lead in lead sulfate in +2 oxidation state. So there is reduction at cathode like other electrochemical cells, and at anode there is oxidation. Now what will be the reaction at anode? What will be the reaction? Lead will oxidize in presence of electrolyte sulfuric acid. So sulfate ion will be used in electrode reaction of anode, and lead will oxidize to give lead sulfate, and 2 electron will release at anode. At cathode, lead dioxide grade will reduce, PbO2 will reduce, so it will gain 2 electron in presence of electrolyte sulfuric acid. Sulfuric acid will be in ionic form, hydrogen ion and sulfate ion, and this will reduce into PbSO4 also, and water will form. If we balance then this will become like this at cathode reaction. There will be reduction of PbO2. PbO2 grade will change into PbSO4, and at anode also lead grade change into PbSO4. So now net reaction will be Pb plus PbO2, and electron will cancel in both half cell reaction, and there are 4 hydrogen ion and 2 sulfate ions, so this will become twice H2SO4. This is electrolyte used, and it means both grade, anode and cathode, dipped in concentrated sulfuric acid. They react in presence of concentrated sulfuric acid 38% and change into 2 PbSO4, and water will form. 2 water molecules will form. It means water will form in this reaction. So sulfuric acid electrolyte solution will become diluted. That was earlier used at 38%. Now this will become diluted, and energy will released in the form of electricity. Electricity will produce. This water will change into water vapor when it is used at a long time. So water is added in these cells, and this is secondary battery. Lead storage battery is secondary battery. This can be recharged again. So this is reaction when it is used. This reaction is written when battery is used. When battery is used, reaction will be like this. Lead will oxidize into lead sulfate, and lead dioxide cathode will reduce into lead sulfate. Both electrode will change into lead sulfate. And this is rechargeable battery. So when this recharged, then what will be the reaction? Reactions will reverse. When recharged, because when it is used in long time, this recharge and this discharge, so recharged again by passing electricity. So when this is used, it acts as electrochemical cell, and when recharged, this becomes electrolytic cell. This become electrolytic. Now this behave as electrolytic cell, and when this recharge and this become electrolytic cell, so anode of this battery will become cathode, and cathode of this battery will become anode. So what will be the reaction at anode and cathode? At cathode, what will be the reaction at cathode? This cathode was earlier as anode, so reaction will reverse. So PbSO4 will gain electron to reduce. Here will be reduction. Reduction will take place, change into Pb and sulfate ion. There is reduction, Pb change in PbSO4, lead in +2 oxidation state, change into 0 oxidation state. This is reduction. Now there is reduction. And at anode, PbSO4, in presence of water molecule, PbSO4 will change into PbO2 and hydrogen ions and sulfate ions will also form and 2 electrons will release. So net reaction will be, electron will be cancel and net reaction will be twice PbSO4 plus 2H2O. This will change into Pb plus PbO2 plus hydrogen ion and sulfate ion will form sulfuric acid, twice H2SO4. So this reaction will be at recharging. Now we will discuss fuel cells. First of all, fuel cells were used in Apollo space program. In these fuel cells, reactants are continuously fed at electrodes. In these fuel cells, reactants are continuously fed at electrodes. And products removed continuously. These are electrochemical cell. These are designed like that chemical energy of fuel converted into electrical energy. Nowadays, hydrogen oxygen fuel cell is more popular. We will discuss this. In this, the container used, suppose this is container, and from one side hydrogen is passed continuously and from other side oxygen passed continuously. This container, there is opening in one side, and in this fuel cell we say this is fuel cell, hydrogen oxygen fuel cell. These are two electrodes, porous electrodes made up of carbon. This electrode acts as anode and this electrode acts as cathode. Because this is electrochemical cell, so anode will be negative and cathode will be positive. Porous electrodes made up of carbon, and in the middle portion there is concentrated NaOH solution. So when hydrogen is passed at anode and oxygen passed at cathode, these reacts in presence of NaOH. So what will be the reaction at anode? At anode, there will be oxidation of hydrogen. Hydrogen will oxidize to give, and hydrogen will oxidize, this will give water molecule. In presence of hydroxyl ion, electrolyte NaOH, this oxidize into water molecule. So if we balance, then this will become 2H2O and 2OH, and 2 electron will release at anode. And at cathode, there will be reduction of oxygen. Oxygen will reduce in presence of water. So hydroxyl ion will form, and electrons will be used, released at anode. These electrons will reach to the cathode by external circuit. So there will be reduction of oxygen. If we balance, there will be half O2. Now if we sum both half reactions, half cell reactions, there will be net reaction H2 plus half O2, and electron will cancel because these are present in both sides, and the hydroxyl ion also will cancel. Now this one water molecule, both side will cancel, and this will form net water molecule. So hydrogen and oxygen will used in this reaction, fuel cell. Water will form. Water will form that removed continuously from the cell. This is all about secondary cells today. Thank you.